Hello, sheet shakers and formula fanatics. We're gonna find duplicates. We're gonna dedupe your sheet today. How we're gonna do this? Well, this video, by the way, is gonna save you 20 bucks. Why do I say that? Because if we wanted to remove duplicates and use this AbleBits add-on, this add-on costs $19.99 per year, or $59 per lifetime subscription. You don't need to get this. Obviously, if you want to use all of AbleBits stuff, this might be a really good buy. But I'm actually going to show you how to dedupe using a formula right now, and a couple of actually really better ways to dedupe, because honestly, you can dedupe with Google Sheets itself or remove your duplications. I'll show you that right away. We have, say, a list of names, and see at the bottom we have a bunch of duplicates. If we just highlight that, we go up to data, we go to remove duplicates, we use just, let's say, column A, remove duplicates, it'll say 10 duplicates found, removed, 50 rows, and they just removed them. Didn't tell me which ones, didn't tell me what happened or why it removed them, it just removed them. That's good if you want to just do that, but sometimes we would rather just show our duplicates. We want to know what got duplicated, who duplicated it, what to do next. There's a lot of reasons why we want to do that. So let's just undo that, and here we go. We have our duplicates back. So today, what I'm going to do is, I already showed you that. I'm going to show you how to show the duplicate and which row it's in, because sometimes just knowing and saying, hey, this is a duplicate might not be enough. We want to know, where is that duplicate? We might have hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of rows and data that is imported by a Google Sheet or a Google form, or maybe there's like 8 people putting in information and they're all putting in the same information at the same amount of time, and maybe we don't even want the first one, maybe we want the second one, third one, fifth one. Depends. So there's lots of reasons why we might want to only show that there are duplicates. So I'm going to show you that in a formula. And if you pay for Better Sheets right now, lifetime access, one flat fee, I'll never charge you again. I'm actually going to do one more different. So we're going to do this today. I'm going to show you how to do this. If you buy Better Sheets right now, I'm going to show you how to create a little duplicate filter and a little sort of duplicate detector to show you in this nice little formatted table what's duplicated and what row it's in. So I'll show you that as well if you pay for Better Sheets. But right now, let's go and build this. This is a pretty complicated way to do this, but I want to show you how it's done so you learn something right away. So we have this column of data. We have these names, and we want to know which ones are duplicated. Well, there are absolutely a couple ways, right? I showed you how to use the remove duplicate function in Google Sheets. You can sort, right? This sheet, or this, even you can sort just this column. Go up to data and sort range. Absolutely, you can do that. Then you'd have to scroll through, see which ones are duplicated. Say we want to just know if something is duplicated. The easiest way is to use match. So we go equals match, and what we're doing is we're searching for the cells in this column, comma, and we're searching through the entire column. And we want to say the search type, I always like to use 0. There's a few other reasons why you might not want to use 0, but most of the time I use 0. And it's going to show us the row it's on. And we can copy and paste this all the way down, right? And we can go down here. And if you notice right away, right here, Chance Brodsky shows up, and the row is not the same. So 51, this should have been 52. Going and pasting, and we have now not the row that they're on. So what this match function is doing is it's searching through this and saying, wherever the first match that is exact, bring me back the row number it's on. Okay, so if these don't match, we want to show, hey, this is a duplicate. And then we can also show which row it's on, right? The original one, where it is. This is really fascinating. And we can do this with a simple if function, if. So we do equal, let's do equals if. And now our row, we can get through a row function, filter or function formula, just row, two parentheses here. And that's going to say, that's going to get us the exact row we're on right now. So if these two things match, everything is fine. So let's say, if true, right, do nothing. If false, which is the third argument, we're going to want to know what row it's on. So we actually don't say the row. We say match. We do the same thing. Match A54, comma A to A, comma 0. So we do exactly the same thing, but we just want to know the actual row. So we do that. So now, if the row that it's on and the match function are the same, it's doing nothing because we don't want to know that. We just want to know the ones that are the same, right? So now we can scroll through and we can see, oh, here's a number. And then we can also add, let's do this. Let's do a concatenate. Let's give ourselves a little message. Duplicate found on row, comma, not comma, space, now comma. And now we have duplicate found on row 35. Right? So now we can point ourselves to where the row is, right? So now all we have to do is scroll through this and find this. Now, if this is hundreds or thousands of rows long, you may want to invest in a add-on, or go ahead, pay the one-time fee for bettersheets.co, and I'm going to show you how to build a little bit of a filter, a little table that shows you all of these, shows you what row they're on, shows you what the information is, and just makes your sheets a little bit better. So go check it out, bettersheets.co. But hopefully this helped you out. This if function, row equals match, and you can concatenate and make any kind of message you want. Duplicate found on row X, which is now match. So this match function helps you greatly find duplicates. And that's it. Now I saved you already 60 bucks. Go ahead, check out bettersheets.co for way more features, way more cool filters and formulas, and really quick tricks and tips to make your Google Sheets better. Bye.